All right, hey everybody, we're going to do a training video on how to use a bioreader. What you're looking at here is what is considered a bioreader. So in order to work one of these can be set to card and pin or card, pin, and biometric reader. Two different settings. So we'll go ahead and show you this one in particular is set to card, pin, and bioread. So to make it work, you insert your card chip up in the bottom, like that. You wait for the pin pad to light up, and then you put your pin in. And then when it tells you to place your finger, you place your finger lightly on the sensor, and the door opens. Now, if you have any issues where it rejects your fingerprint, you need to reposition your finger. Simply placing it back in the same spot it was before is going to yield the same result. So you always have to try and reposition your finger if you get it denied the first time. I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. Put my finger on there wrong. It's not going to work. So I wait, place finger again, put it back on properly this time, and it works. If anybody has any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.